Okay, so today I am back, and today I will be doing an unboxing of the Shark Ion P50 vacuum. So I'm going to cut the tape on the box. And first thing out of the box is cardboard. Next is the extension wand. I can get it out. There we go. Then some more cardboard. And more. And here is the charger. The hose. The vacuum itself. The tools, and I think the charger, the charging dock is in there. And that is everything out of the box. So now I'm going to unwrap it. And I'm going to assemble it. So all you do is put the wand back there, the handle and the hose up in here until it clicks, and then the hose part into the unit. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.